Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68. Hope everybody's doing well. Want to try out to see how good this repaired spinner works. Thought I would torture myself. We'll try a 6-pin Master 410 in reverse, counterclockwise. I've done one of these before. I don't know if it's the only video out there of it being picked counterclockwise and spun. Not the easiest to pick in hand. A few variables. Light tension. You're still going to get your counter rotation. Just might take a while. You do have the potential to lose your tension wrench often. And because you're going it counterclockwise, your tension wrench is going to hit the stopper at some point. So you could be open, so you need to pay attention to that. Go through your pins carefully. Try to maintain. I like to choke up on the tensioner a bit. Gives me more control. A tiny bit of movement. Gotta keep an eye on your tensioner, like I said. Tension should be fairly light. You gotta go light. And again, because you're using the top of the keyway, you could run the risk of dropping the tensioner. Okay, so there we go. I think I got it. Okay guys, we're in the open position there. But as you can see, we are locked. So now the fun part is the spinner. It's loaded. And there's potential for 3 things to happen. You can get the open. You can go back to the closed position and not get the open. Or you can spin it too far and brick it. We're looking not to surpass the stopper here, and that's the difficult part, I believe, with the spinner, is positioning your tool. So we're going to pop it in there, right in the keyway. We're going to count to 3, and we're going to see what happens. So 1, 2, 3. I believe we have it. Just needs a little coaxing. And there we go, guys. So we spun it open to the right side there. Okay. I'll show you the key. As you can see, the spinner was repaired. You know, better than throwing it out, right? Now you just be careful, put your key back in. You got your working lock. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. That's the test on the repaired spinner. Stay well. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, share. Stay well.